Hi, first graders. Today is Monday, August 24th, 2020. This is our morning meeting in SEL video or recording. If you are joining this before you have watched the link that I posted before this, please log out and go and watch the Howard B. Wigglebottom video on sportsmanship. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this. I hope you have had a wonderful day so far. This was our schedule for today. You can also find it on our homeroom page and on Class Dojo. These are our reminders. You can also find them on our homeroom page. Just a reminder that you should be in a spot that is distraction free. You should have your supplies with you. Okay, we are going to talk about the SEL video. This was the video on Howard B. Wigglebottom sportsmanship. What does it mean to be a team player? I want you to close your eyes, think of the video, and then call out loud what it means to be a team player. Great work! Yes, sharing the ball. Well, who would want to be on a team where there's always a ball hog? Would you want to be on a team like that? What about being kind? Would you want to be on a team where people are being kind? Absolutely. Why did Howard throw a temper tantrum? That's a fit. Think of the dad, the lion that got kicked out of the game. What was Howard, that's the bunny, temper tantrum about? Ah, yes, losing. He did not like to lose, did he, boys and girls? No, he didn't like losing. Now, let me ask you a question. Is it okay to throw a temper tantrum because you are losing? No. Is it okay to be frustrated that you're losing? Yes, we can. It's okay to have that feeling, but how we react is important. And throwing a temper tantrum is not the way to react to feeling frustrated or upset that you are losing a game. How can you show good sportsmanship? At the end of the video, they had some bullet points on how to be a good sport. What are some of them? Call them out. Oh, yes, I love it. I heard being fair, shaking the other team's hand even if you lose, not throwing temper tantrums, sharing. Absolutely. Who can give us an example of poor or bad sportsmanship? Go ahead and say it out loud. What's an example of bad sportsmanship? Oh, I love it. I heard cheating. Yes, that is an example of bad sportsmanship. Okay, I am going to have these math questions posted here. I'm going to give you 2 minutes to solve 6 plus 2 equals blank, 10 minus 5 equals blank, 2 plus blank equals 9. This is a missing add-in, so remember, draw your 9 counters and then cross out 2. How many you are left with will be your missing add-in. And then this is a greater than, less than, or equal to problem. 8, is it greater than 9? Is 8 less than 9? Or is 8 equal to 9? Go ahead on your piece of paper in front of you, work through these problems, and then we will review them. Okay, boys and girls, let's go ahead and review. So, what is 6 plus 2? Oh, I love hearing 8. What I hope you did is you drew 6 counters in one color, and then drew 2 in another color, and got 8. If you didn't have the supplies, you could have used your fingers. Remember, we don't want to use our fingers as our first resort. We really want to be drawing our counters. You could have had 6 fingers up and then put 2 more fingers up and counted. Or we could have used the counting on method where we have 6 in our head, that's the bigger number, and then we count up 2 more, 7, 8. Our second problem was 10 minus 5. Please call out loud what 10 minus 5 is. Go. It is 5. Good job. You should have gotten 5. And hopefully what you did was that you drew 10 counters because 10 is our biggest number. And then you crossed out 5 and you saw that you got 5. We could have had 10 in our head and counted back 5, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Or you could have put 10 fingers up because we have 10 fingers, taken 5 of those fingers away and seen that we were left with 5. Okay, number 3, 2 plus what equals 9? This is our missing add-in problem. Remember what I said. Hopefully you drew the 9 counters and then you took 2 away to find what that missing add-in was. Call it out. What is our new missing add-in? Sorry, missing add-in. Yes, hopefully you got 7. 2 plus 7 equals 9. So 7, 8, 9. That's 2 more. Like I said, what I hope that you did is you drew 9 counters and then you took 2 away and you were left with 7. Okay, boys and girls, when we do this type of one, the best thing to do is to say it out loud. Is 8 greater than 9? Is 8 less than 9? Or is 8 equal to 9? Is less than 9. Thank you so much for tuning in to our morning announcements and SEL, or not morning announcements, our morning meeting and SEL video. I hope you have a great day. Go watch the other recordings if you need to the live meeting.